Yo, we have another pack of Mega Charizard XEX Ultra Premium Collection. Once again, it doesn't really, the store that I have, I can see myself down here, store that I go to doesn't really have much of an option. Apologies if I've got any paint on my hands. I've just recently finished work and I try to get the majority of it off, but it is a struggle. So what I do is work as I'm a painter, paint houses, and then I stream on the side for fun. Currently we're streaming every day this year, and we've so far done every day. We're at 2 months and 3 days, 5 days. We're currently playing Pokemon Red, Fire Red. Okay. Here we have it. Got the 2 promos. There is one behind this. We have the card sleeves, little box just to store some stuff in, nice gold coin, some dice, and 18 packs. Also have the mouse pad as well. Okay, here we have our 5 different types of packs. We've got Surging Spark, we've got Journey Together, Mega Evolution, Distance, Rival, and Phantasmal Flames. Order them I'm going to go in as probably Surging Sparks, Journey Together, then we'll go Distant Rival, and then Mega and Phantasmal Phase. I don't know why it might just be puffed up, but this pack is almost like half a pack higher than the rest. So I wonder what's in the Phantasmal Flames. Only 2 reasons why I'm doing these 2 is because I've actually only got 2 binders at the moment. Because I'm recently started off fresh. So these are the 2 that are going in the binders currently. So the first pack that we're going to be opening is Phantasmal Flames. A little bit of a mix up. God damn. Jesus Christ. Code card. Hopefully the code card's the only one. Golly. We have a basic energy. A Pelion. Professor's Research. Cutie Fly. Pilil. Corvignite. Gredent. Regice. Reverse Hollow Rookie. Reverse Hollow Squabbit. And a Bellybolt EX. Got one of these bad boys. Pack number 2. Code card. Basic Energy. Lechonk. Joltik. La Vista. Metapod. Toadescruel. Ruffian. Lokic. Reverse Hollow Numble. Reverse Hollow Hopsbag. Yo. Volcano EX. He looks fucking dope. All down the fucking... It's so, like, the scaling, if it wants to focus. Not a bad card. Look how small it is at the bottom, and then look at the top as well. And where is my thumb? Did I just see something? Not the best condition, a little bit scuff around the corner. Jesus Christ. Nice card though, beautiful card. Pack number 3. Damn, that code card is fucked up the top. Good. Basic energy. Black belt training. Voltorb. Volcorio. Perleon. Combuskin. Golem. Escavela. Reverse Hollow Durant. Reverse Hollow Isco. I don't know. And Hollow Magina. Apologies about the pronunciation. I'm going to say 90% of these are wrong. Last pack journey together. Good. Basic energy. Black belt training. Metapod. Voltorb. Ricorio. Redeemable ticket. Spike energy. Ooh. Whatever that is. Reverse Hollow Disparance. Lilligan. Reverse Hollow. And Hollow Rishra. Next pack, we'll go for the Surging Sparks. We've only got 2 of these. We will go with this one first. Pick up. Basic Energy. Clobby Plus. Hololisk. Citadel. Glimmet. Taurus. Latios. Surfer. Reverse Hollow Zarude. Reverse Hollow Trapinch. And Slither EX. That looks fucking dope, I ain't gonna lie. That's nice. Last one, Searching Sparks. Code. Basic Energy. Steel. La Vista. Dummies. Bravery. Ispera. I'm saying random names now. Trainer. Togekiss. Reverse Hollow. Chastity? Something? Iron Crown. Hollow. That's cool. Next pack. Distant Rivals. Last time we were the Mew last. I'm going to do that again. We had 2 Mews last time and they both hit, which was nice. Thank you. And nice. Good card. Basic Energy. Meowth. Staru. Ecans. Rello. Team Rocket Giovanni. Spirit Tome. Fortress. Reverse Hollow Torchic. Reverse Hollow Squabbit. And a Hollow and Annihilape. Pack number 2. Cool card. Basic Energy, Toad School, Impidimp, Buzzle, Porygon, Psyduck, Team Rocket Energy, Porygon Z, Reverse Holo Yama, Reverse Holy Starmie, and a Holo Crustle. Pack number 3. Cool card. Basic Energy. So this pack here makes halfway through the deck or stack. Mankey, Rattata, Nidoran, Houndour, Claydol, Team Rocket Arana, Lotris, Reverse Holo, Reverse Holo Grimmer, Reverse Holo Electric. Yo, that's cool. A Citan EX? I don't know how to say that. Never even seen this thing. Last pack, Distant Rivals. Cool card. Basic Energy. Roselia. Nidoran. Flaffery. Drowsy. Floatzel. Team Rocket Ariana. Manitric. Reverse Holo Hippowdon. Reverse Holo Ethan's Adventure. And a Holo Blaziken. Yeah, now we get Evolution. I have no idea what order we're gonna go in. We'll just do that. Pack number 1. Good. Basic Energy. Execute. Beware. Ralts. Latios. Marshadow. Goldingo. Reverse Holo Execute. Reverse Holo Pharaoh. And a Mega Absol EX. Nice. Pack number 2. Good card. Basic Energy. Magnemite. Lopunny. Vulpix. Railu. Forest of Vitality. Executor. Latios. Reverse Holo Goldindo. Reverse Holo Electricite. And a Holo Cinderace. Third pack. Cool card. Basic Energy. Graphite. Cedar. Tinkative. Tyragu. Repel. Ninjas. Machedo. Reverse Holo Wally's Compassion. Reverse Holo Tangela. And a Holo Harayam. Last pack, Mega Evolution. Gold card. Basic energy. Makata. Eval. Yangu. Jangela. Repel. Ninetales. Mystery Garden. Reverse Hollow Clauncher. Yo, that's fucking dope. That's sick. Houndstone. And Meganium Hollow. Last 4 packs. We're gonna go these two first. Got the Zard last, and this guy next for the same. Cold card. Basic energy. Poliswine. Oh my god. Charmeleon. I don't know. Mill 3. Chrysala. Haunter. Punk Helmet. Reverse Hollow Seba. Reverse Hollow Wanderer's Patch. And Zacanian Hollow. Pack number 2. Code card. Basic energy. Mimiku. Trapinch. Sandile. Piplup. Germantan. Tauros. Ladocolo. Reverse Hollow Flagon. Reverse Hollow Mimiku. And Apollyon EX. That's pretty fucking cool. Pack number 3. Code card. Basic energy. Gloom. Charmander. Saber. Duraludon. Lunarone. Honchkrow. Blowtorch. Reverse Honchkrow. Revenge Bramblin. And Napoleon EX. Got like 4 of these now. Last pack. Promo in gold. Basic energy. Rumpla. Smeagol. Toxel. Bronzo. Mamoswine. Wanderer's Patch. Bronzorg. Reverse Hollow Reshiram. Reverse Hollow Ampipalm. And Hollow Toxicity. Not bad.